Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's Everything Apple Pro Jr. here, and I have another DigitalOcean tutorial for you guys. If you guys want to try out DigitalOcean for free for 2 months with a $5 droplet, go ahead and click the link down below in the description. Sign up using a new account, and then you can get $10 of credit just like that. And the $5 droplet will last you for 2 free months, and after that, you're going to have to pay using a credit card. Now, a word on making new accounts: don't go making new accounts like crazy, because DigitalOcean is going to catch on and lock your new accounts because of fraud and spam and all that stuff. So guys, please only make one DigitalOcean account. You do not want to get your account locked out, especially if you don't have sufficient ID to prove that you are a real person. Okay, so this tutorial is going to be covering how to create a droplet, and then enabling it with IPv6 afterwards. Now, if you create a droplet and you do enable IPv6 during the creation process, you do not have to follow this tutorial. However, in another DigitalOcean tutorial based on the same droplet, I'm going to have another tutorial which will show you how to add additional IPv6 addresses to your droplet, and then I'm going to explain how that could be useful. So anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to create a new droplet. We're going to pick Ubuntu 14.04 since that is the standard. You can of course pick Ubuntu 16.04, which is the new Ubuntu server, but I personally I don't like that, to be honest. Of course, we're just going to go ahead and enable we're not going to enable IPv6. We're going to enable my SSH key there, and there we go. And then we're just going to name this test droplet. Okay, and we're just going to hit create. So what that's going to do is it's going to create our droplet, and it's going to spin this one up fairly quickly. Again, with the retirement of IP version 4 addresses, you're lucky to have one on DigitalOcean, because I mean, there's just so many addresses that are getting used up. Okay, so what you want to do then to SSH into your droplet is to open up a new terminal window. Okay, and here what you want to do is type in the following command: SSH root at 104.236.30.199. You want to replace that IP address with whatever you've whatever DigitalOcean has given you. Okay, so first of all, I just wanted to prove that I only have IP version 4 enabled on this droplet. You can see its IP address there. Now, I've written a handy script which will allow us to enable IP version 6 on our droplet. So in order to do this, what you need to do is we're going to shut down our droplet here, and we're going to go into our DigitalOcean droplet. Now we're going to wait for our droplet to power off. Okay, we're just going to hit power off here. And as you can see under public IPv6 network, you want to click on the enable button. And that's going to pull up a bunch of information, like what your public IP version 6 address is and your range, which I will explain in the next tutorial. Okay, so what you need to do now is SSH back into your droplet. It only takes a few seconds to start everything back up. Once it's started back up, what you want to do is type in wget space. Then I'm going to have a link to the IPv6 enable helper script for the DigitalOcean. Alright, so change of plans, guys. All right, so change of plans. So it would appear that we, for whatever reason, don't have the script working properly. The DigitalOcean API does not appear to be working. So what we need to do is put in our interface information in manually. So we're just going to create a new IPv6 entry. So iface eth0 inet6 static address is going to be our public IPv6 address. Netmask is a 64 prefix. Auto conf, I think it's set to 0. Gateway, it's whatever this is. And DNS name servers is, okay, so I had to go and SSH into one of my other servers to get the exact configuration. So the DNS name servers are going to be set to that. Let's see, what else did we miss anything? No, we did not. Okay, good. All right, so what we need to do is do Control X, Y, and then Enter to save all that. Then all you have to do is type in if down eth0 space semicolon or no, colon space if up eth0. What that's going to do is it's going to enable IPv6 on our droplet. Now, all we have to do to test to see if IPv6 works is do a dig let's go youtube.com. All right, the SOA for YouTube. Okay, google.com. Okay, that's the IP address of Google. Now let's get AAA records. And as you can see, that's the AAA address for Google's IPv6 servers. So anyways, we're just going to type in ping6 and then this IPv6 address here. And as you guys can see, we now have IPv6 capabilities on our droplet. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to add additional IPv6 addresses so that you can use them for whatever else you may need them for. So, thank you for watching, everybody. I'll see you all in my next video.